first found out we had Kitec, I was in a panic and I wanted to make sure that I got everything done to code, done quickly, and I didn't have to worry about anything. So I called Reliant and they came out the same day to fix the immediate leak. And then the next day started on everything and the whole house was repiped in no time. When we found out we had Kitec Plumbing, my husband had to kind of look it up because he was like, what is this piping? This looks weird. I've never seen this before. And then the deeper we dove, the class action lawsuit and finding out that they're not taking claims anymore and it's just been a mess for 20 plus years. We didn't want anything to do with it. So we were like, we want no Kitec anywhere. We want all the best up-to-date stuff so that we don't have to think about plumbing for a really long time. Plumbing is one of those things where you really can't wait. So it is so important that Reliant was able to come out same day. I think within an hour they were out there and had everything mitigated to a good point where we didn't have the alarm bells going off, and then everything was repiped and fixed so fast. Very simple things we try to handle ourselves, but with plumbing, I mean, you really don't want any leaks. That's like a big issue. We've had plumbing where we've done it and it hasn't been quite tight enough, and then it was just leaking and we didn't know it for a little while, and then we had to take other steps with plumbers. So having Reliant there to make sure everything was up to code and not leaking and in good condition, that's something you don't want to touch for a really long time. So having that peace of mind to have everything just done and done correctly is great. Roman was so good to work with. He was on time. He was really informative of everything that he was doing. He walked me through everything, very clear, concise. So it was great working with him. Everyone there has been so kind and helpful and on top of it. They text, they call, email. Follow-up has been incredible when I've needed work done repeatedly for different things, and they're just always on top of it and making sure that they're doing their part for the next step. And so it's just been great. Knowing that literally everything, all of the water lines in all of the walls, everywhere is brand new, is such a peace of mind thing to be able to communicate to someone that, like, yeah, this looks pretty, but it's also good quality and it's gonna last you for a really long time. You don't have to worry about anything inside the walls. They're just there and reliable. It's Reliant, I guess. So it's great to have someone that we can rely on to answer the call when we need them.